Today I'm going to talk about why dogs make for better pets than cats. Over the years, I've had numerous dogs, big and small, and have grown up with cats as well. Unlike cats, dogs are very faithful and give you unconditional love, while cats barely seem to know who you are. If there is any problem, a dog will serve and even protect you. Dogs are very obedient creatures and will sit, lie down, or heel on command, unlike cats who will just smirk and walk away. Cats cannot be trained as easily as dogs. In fact, it can seem impossible to train a cat. Dogs also serve as a very good companion. Dogs also serve as very good watchdogs. There's a reason why they call it a watchdog and not a watch cat. Whether you own a small or big dog, it will do its best to alert you and guard your home when confronted with intruders or strange noises. Even a small, feisty dog is enough to scare off nasty strangers with its scary barks and growls. No one wants to be bitten by a dog. Cats, on the other hand, prefer to run far away from bad situations or simply hide instead of putting up a brave front. Dogs can encourage an active lifestyle for their owners. Dogs enjoy running or going on long walks with their humans. Daily exercise is absolutely important for dogs. This means dog owners will have to indulge in some form of physical activity and interactive play to keep their pets motivated and engaged. Even older folks are seen participating in daily walks with their dogs. Cat people are rarely seen walking their cats on a harness since this isn't not a standard practice. Cats like to be on their own, whether indoors or outdoors, and do what they like to do regardless of others. Dogs are so obedient that they will let you give them a bath quite easily, while a cat will struggle the entire time. Dogs have a personality of their own, while cats seem to live in their own world. Dogs respond to their name when you call it, unlike cats who just ignore you. Dogs are intelligent and know when you are sad and will comfort you. Dogs always want to be around you and are always happy to see you, while cats are usually trying to hide from you. Also, dogs are trained to go to the bathroom outside so your house does not stink, unlike cats who must go in their litter boxes. Dogs don't scratch like cats when they are mad or don't want to be touched. This is why I think dogs make for better pets than cats.